Adverbs of manner. Imagine watching a movie without sound. You wouldn't know if the chase scene was frantic if the hero spoke confidently or hesitantly. That's where adverbs of manner come in. They're the secret sauce that injects life and detail into our descriptions, painting a vivid picture of how actions are performed. When do they shine? Adverbs of manner are like backup dancers for verbs. They step in to tell us exactly how an action unfolds. Here's where they typically take center stage. Following the verb, the simplest placement is right after the verb it describes. Examples: she danced gracefully. She smiled brightly. The train departed silently. They finished the race exhausted. After the object, if there's an object, the adverb can follow it. Example: he threw the ball high into the air. He painted the house carefully. She read the book eagerly. They play soccer avidly. Sentence openers. Sometimes adverbs of manner set the stage for the entire sentence. Examples: silently, the thief crept through the shadows. Suddenly, the lights went out. Hopefully, the rain will stop soon. Remember, while adverbs of manner are incredibly useful, they're not always necessary. Here's when they might not be the best fit. Stative verbs. Those verbs that describe states of being, not actions. They don't need adverbs of manner because they don't show how something happens. She permanently lives in France. She lives in France. She happily loves her new puppy. She loves her new puppy. She strongly believes in ghosts. She believes in ghosts. Clear context. If the way something happens is already clear from the sentence, the adverb might be redundant. The car crashed loudly. Loudness is likely implied by crashed. The thief sneaked silently into the house. Sneaking already implies quiet movement. The water boiled rapidly. Boiling implies intense bubbling, a rapid action. Adverbs of manner are powerful tools for adding detail and clarity to your writing. By understanding when and how to use them, you can transform your sentences from bland to brilliant. So, the next time you describe an action, don't forget to consider its manner. Your writing will thank you for it. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. We're here to help you understand these concepts and more. Don't forget to visit us on our website. There you will find useful sources, or you can book a tutoring session. That's all for today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.